So green may not be your favorite color, but bam! It looks oh so good on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's check it out. What's up everybody? TechFit360 here, and your road to being tech fit starts in
3, 2, 1.
What is going on everybody? Once again, this is TechFit360 and today is just a quick video on the all new iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. Now, all the features that you've come to love in the previous colors, it's here too. The only thing different about this is that it's wrapped up in a super fine green body. I mean, I was immediately attracted to it and I'm sure you will be too. I just think it's so fitting for Apple to release this color, the Alpine Green color, right as we hit spring, because basically green symbolizes growth. And when you look outside, you see the grass getting greener, see a little bit of flowers here and there. So it's absolutely cool that they released this right here. And look at this. This phone is absolutely gorgeous. I love the darker shade green that's right around the camera area. Very nice. If you look around the perimeter of the phone, you see that tinted stainless steel look. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, my favorite color is blue, but I'm really not impressed with the Sierra blue. And I must admit, I would be a little salty if I went ahead and bought a color that I really wasn't impressed with and then turn around and see somebody rocking this Alpine Green iPhone. Yeah, a brother would be kind of salty. I know y'all feel me on that. But anyway, also included in the box is the USB-C to Lightning cable. And of course, you get your Apple stickers. You know, we got to have our Apple stickers. You still don't get a power adapter and you still don't get headphones. Now, the power adapter that I personally use, I use the Anker PowerPort 3. It's a 2-port 60-watt power adapter, so I can charge 2 devices at once. This is what I use. I'll gladly leave the link in my description, as well as the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. I can't even get it out in my description as well. Okay, now before I totally jack up my new phone, I need to slide some protection on this bad boy. And I am a big fan of the Tech 21 gear. This is the Evo Clear case. It has 12-foot protection, let's see, hygiene protection, MagSafe integrated, and it's crystal clear transparency. And I love the crystal clear cases because I love to show off my color choice, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. Now, I know a lot of people might be saying that, man, TechFit, why don't you just go ahead and wait for the iPhone 14 that's being released later this year? Well, in my case, my phone pretty much was dying on me. I had so many issues, so I had to upgrade. So that's why I went ahead and upgraded. It's not to say that I will not get that iPhone 14 when it's released, because I am indeed looking forward to it. All right, everybody, now this is your turn to talk to me. I want you to tell me in the comment section, what do you think of the Alpine Green iPhone? I mean, is it worth going and buying a phone just for this color? Now, as I mentioned, you know, it's just not for the color, but I needed an iPhone anyway, so it kind of worked out in my favor. But if I didn't need a phone, I would go ahead really and wait for the iPhone 14 to be released later this year. I heard some awesome things about it. But anyway, I want to know what you think. And like I said, this is just a quick video. I wanted to showcase the beauty of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. But listen, please be sure to like this video, leave me some comments down below, and also subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel for more tech videos. Now, in case no one has told you today, I think you are awesome. Enjoy your tech, but remember to also stay fit. God bless you, and I will see you in my very next video. Thank you for watching.